Hi everyone, it's Lynn. This is where we're going to draw our next color. I'm still in the studio. I've been recording some other videos, but someone asked on the last Crayola challenge that they wanted to see me color out the color prior to talking about the color so that they could do it with me. And I'm like, that is a brilliant idea. So it's easier because I have the overhead camera and I can color out the color here. So I was just gonna do that. But I was gonna show you something that I got that I'm super excited about, and then we'll draw the color. So here it is. Bum-ba-dum. How cool is that? Y'all, so this was a gift from my mother-in-law, who I adore. And so she has moved and had to clean out part of her sewing room. And so I went up there to help her with some of that stuff. And she had this, and she's like, do you want it? I'm like, absolutely. How cool is it? So this was I don't know much about it, I'll be honest. But it's a Singer. Let me do the overhead. Will that help? Oh, yeah, it's there. Okay, great. So it's a Singer. It's a little Singer. So handy, electric. I need to dust the top. I haven't even done that. But I just want you to see this. Look at that. Is that not cute? Like, I'm sure, I don't even know if it runs. But, and it's got sew and stop. That's the on and off. Like, just look at how cute that is. Look at how cute. And it's kind of heavy. Like, this is metal. This is plastic, but this is metal. How fun is that? So I'm assuming that's actually the flywheel. I'm assuming that's your tension. I mean, what a cute little... Who got this? When was it made? I'm gonna have to go to my friend Sewing Doc and get all the info on this and see what she tells me about this cute little... It was made in Great Britain. You can't see that. Maybe you can see it this way. It was made in Great Britain. Wow. So I wonder if it sews with an English dialect. I don't know. Anyway, I thought it was super cute, and I think it's fun, and it looks like it's in great condition. Yeah, the needle goes up and down. Look, see? The needle goes up and down. So I guess, I don't even know how to get the bobbin. Like, how would you do the bobbin? We'll have to figure that out. Super cute. Thought it was fun. I mean... It looks like 50s or 60s to me. Like, just guessing. Just because the plastic. And it says Singer Manufacturing Company. So I'm going to have to do some research. I'm going to have to go to my dear friend, Andy Barney, with sewingdoc.com. And if you haven't heard of Andy, you should go check her out. She's absolutely just a phenomenal person, number one. But number two, super knowledgeable. She does her YouTube is fixing up and cleaning and getting older sewing machines to run and purr and make them work extremely well. So I thought this was just a cute little new sewing machine to my personal collection, and mine's not big. I mean, I have a few sewing machines around here. Just a few. Anyway, but I thought that this was just so fun, and I thought you guys would like to see it. So, anyway, fun. I'm going to plug it up and see. I got to find the bobbin. Like, there's got to be a way to take this out to get to the bobbin. Because then it will, I mean, you have to have a bobbin. So, anyway, I'll investigate it more and give you an update on it. It's got the cute little case. It needs to be dusted. I didn't notice that until I put it on camera. I went, oh, maybe I should test this. And it's got these cute little, I don't know, you can see them cute little, I'm guessing 50s, 60s is when this was, oops. That's probably good. Don't break it, Lynn. You just got it. There we go. There we go. This reminds me, this end reminds me of those old suitcases used to have buckles or closures like that. You know? Well, okay. Okay, wait. There we go. I think that did it. But that's what that reminds me of. Anyway, how cute is that? I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to love it and just keep it and pet it and no. So how fun. Anyway, so the next thing we need to do is to draw our next crayon. So, and you guys know I don't look before. The only time I knew is when Julie told me we needed to do emerald green. So we did that one. So, the next crayon is, I'm going to do, let's do this one. What's this one? Oh, we haven't done purple yet. And this is officially called Purple Mountain's Majesty. And look, there's purple behind me. Huh. Purple Mountain's Majesty. I love purple. Love it. Love it. Okay. So last week we did the yellow green. This week I'm going to do the overhead again. We are going to do Purple Mountain Majesty. So, ooh. That's kind of cool. It's called Purple Mountain. Did I spell that right? No, it's A-I-N-S. I can't spell, by the way. M-A-J. The good thing it's right here. E-S-T-Y. Purple Mountain. That's an A-I. Purple Mountain Majesty. And this will be week 14. Okay. Just by looking at it, I guess, I think it's funny because I do think there's a quilt behind me on this side that's kind of that color. So that's weird that I picked that. And I promise you, I did not know where it was. Purple Mountain's Majesty. Well, I think we've established I do like purple because I like purple, orange, and green together a lot. I think it's really interesting that this color, it does, I mean, I know that this name is not like the name that The Secret Lives of Color other people would call it. It's definitely a crayon number. But if you'll notice, if you go to any paint store or any place like that, anytime they name colors, it's definitely their marketing department that names the colors. It's not necessarily exactly what we would have called them in history, you know, and they're just tweaking them, adding a little bit of this or that to make a color. But it does remind me of the Smoky Mountains. It totally does. And I grew up around there, so I remember, you know, going to the Smoky Mountains and seeing them, and there is kind of that purple haze over them at times. So this makes just, it's that lilac color. To me, it's a very calming color. I think it's going to go more with I think it's going to go with a lot. Like this is a color that's definitely going to go with a lot. And I think this color will trick us because I think purple can look gray in the right aspects and it can look purple in other aspects. Especially this kind of lighter purple. It's not that deep, rich red purple. This is kind of a gray purple to me. So I think we're going to like this color. I think this is going to really surprise us. I think it'll look really interesting in some of the things. So there we go. Isn't that fun? Purple Mountain, and I do think it's that color right there. Like, seriously, that's just crazy. Because last week we had that color. Totally didn't plan this. I promise you I didn't plan this. I'm not that organized. Truth be told, I'm not that organized. That's not going to happen. But I think it's interesting. Look at all these colors we've done. Those are kind of fun. Kind of deal. All right. Well, so go off into your stash and find the Purple Mountain's Majesty. And let's talk about next week what we can match to Purple Mountain's Majesty. All right. We'll talk to you later. Bye.